Hi everyone. I just got out of the shower. You can tell my hair is like crazy. This is highly requested. You guys really wanted a video on my skincare, so I decided to do a video on my morning skincare today. Okay, so the first step is sunscreen. This is from Purito. It's their Centella Green Level sunscreen. This is a chemical sunscreen. Usually for chemical sunscreens, you want to put them on first. They work better if you apply this first. The thing I use is this product. It's from Laneige. It's their cream skin refiner. By the way, I only take 2 drops of that. This is my favorite because if you have any dry spots or dry patches, it really gets rid of it, maybe even overnight, but maybe in 1 or 2 days it's gone. The dry patches are gone, which I thought was really amazing because sometimes I get dry patches even during the summer, and this just gets rid of that. I put that under my eyes, and make sure you're using your ring finger too. And then on my nose bridge, because I get dry patches there. I don't know why. And then also here. Just anywhere where I get really dry. My skin is combination with dry and normal. On my forehead, it's really dry. But like everywhere else, it's normal. If there's any leftover product, I put it on my neck so I don't waste it. And so that you have a youthful neck in the future. I try to use more products that moisturizing because I don't want to use products that are suited for older skin types because sometimes too much product is bad for your skin and that could lead up to being something bad in the future. If I'm starting to get acne, I use this product. My aunt gave me this, but it's from Stridex. It's alcohol free. It's salicylic acid. There's little cotton pads. Make sure to not leave it too long on your skin or else it will really dry it out. It's better to be more gentle on your skin than having something that's immediate. I'm starting to get acne around my nose, so I'm just gonna gently wipe it over for a couple seconds. I'm also getting it around here. These are mainly hormonal acnes, and usually if I wipe it across, it starts going away. My aunt showed me this and I was like, what? It's so good. I'll just recommend to be careful. For the last product I use moisturizer. This is from CeraVe. It's their daily moisturizing lotion for normal to dry skin. I only use around that much because a little bit goes a long way. You really can use a lot with this product. Then I just place it. Sometimes I'll do like a little massage if I have time. Also, I put lip balm on. This is from Laneige. It's their lip glowy balm in peach. Ta-da! That was it. And then I do makeup. I'm just gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna show you a product that makes my skin look more glowy. So one product that makes my skin look really glowy is this Milk Makeup's Lip Plus Cheek Stick in Work. In the tube, it looks matte, but when you apply it, it looks glowy. I usually apply it to around my cheekbones and then a little bit inside. And then I'm just going to use a lip tint. This is from Etude House. It's their Dear Darling tint. And I'm done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. And I hope you guys have a good day.